Yo, what's good, man? It's your boy Bullis and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm changing my rims. Okay. Yeah, you can hear my baby scream here in the back. Just listen. But yeah, ducking in all as soon as the front. I'll show you a little bit about that. Guys, what was not sitting because the ground is uneven, but yeah, we're getting 50s or 165 40s a game. Guys, a bit dirty. As I said in the previous clip, veel man nog schoon, you know, gonna waste me. Thank you. Yeah, this is how the car is sitting with us, you know, so biggy. But anyways, let's get on the road, guys. Let's get on the road. I'm swapping rims with the Arab Raf from Renberg, I think. He says his tires are 165 40 50. That's also mainly why I'm swapping, because I want 165 40s. Yeah, man, so we're done with the exchange. I'm not gonna show you my rims yet. You must wait until the end, until the car is clean. You don't mind being on video now?
Hey, I don't mind. I put my glasses.
Shout out to the bra for the exchange.
That was nice.
I own like you guys looking now, bro. It actually sits better with a white car. My rims.
I actually, I want to get over your car because of the shine.
Yeah, I might just go wash my car, bro. Yeah, it's definitely a different look. I like it with the white, man. Oh, it just sits different with the there. But yeah, guys, clean. Big seat release. And the works also on the bags. Yeah, so here's my car also. My car is here. Not gonna show you, guys, dirty, but you know, we'll do what needs to be done. So yeah, man, so we're done, we dusted. Let me go wash my car. I'm starting to want now. I shouldn't have said that. But yeah, I think I want now, guys. But only problem is the 17 inch. I don't smart 17s. I don't. Honestly, I don't. But okay, yeah, let me go and see what's gonna happen now for these rims and tires and the car itself. I'll give you guys a cinematic of how the car looks when I'm done washing the car, because you guys did. So yeah, just another reminder, don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what content you want. Let me know if you are enjoying the car content. I didn't tell you guys in the previous video. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. Now we just need to get to 4,000 watch hours so we can get monetized and start getting paid. But yeah, I'll speak to you guys in the next clip. Danko. So yeah, man, so the car is washed and my hair is cut since I'm not wearing this thing. But it's hot, yo, I'm not gonna lie. Just sucks. Guys, washed, the rims are looking sexy now that they have us. Well, yeah, you're not gonna face me. You're not gonna face me nothing. I just had to go and get center caps for the driver's side. The rims need a refurb. I'm planning on doing that. Either or. But yeah, here's how the rims look. Here's the new rims in the car.